From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist Anthony Prusel with the Campus Weather Service for your Wednesday morning forecast. Let's take a look outside. Looks like we're waking up to mostly cloudy skies around the area. Right now, we got a temperature of around 25 degrees. It feels like 11 degrees due to a pretty high wind speed. And the main story today is to watch out for ice. It's very slippery on the sidewalks and roads, so be very careful when you're walking to class this morning. Right now, as we look at the rest of the state, you can see also mostly cloudy skies for the area. Right now, we have some winter weather advisories out in the western portion of the state, and that is going to be due to some snow showers. You can see this whole big system here that's kind of coming down from Canada, causing some snow showers over here in the western portion of the state. Let's take a look at what the models are saying for that. It looks like they're saying about 3.4 inches by tomorrow at 1 p.m. In Franklin, and 2.2 inches down in Johnstown, and 2.2 inches in Pittsburgh. So generally between 3 and 5 inches with localized heavier amounts. As we continue into the weekend, you can see that we have more snow possibly for the western portion of the state. Over here in State College, not too much, maybe no more than 2 to 3 inches. So the main story today is about the cold. We have this big Arctic air mass that's going to be making its way down into the United States over the next couple of days. And you can see that Pennsylvania gets right into that very, very cold air. So as the jet stream is really kind of buckling around us here, we got a lot of cold air filling in all that space. So it's going to be really cold this weekend. Let's take a look at the temperatures right now. We have 25 in State College, 30 in Williamsport, and in the western portion of the state, it's already colder than it is here. Zooming out, you can see this Arctic air mass very, very cold. We have negative 31 degrees in Sandy Lake, negative 31 up in Baker Lake, and negative 27 in Churchill. And that is the types of temperatures that are going to be making its way down into Pennsylvania over the next couple of days. You can see already that the temperature change is a lot colder than it was yesterday at this time. We're decreasing everywhere west of this line, and we're already 8 degrees cooler than yesterday in Altoona and 8 degrees cooler than yesterday in Buffalo. Looking at the next couple of days, you can see that by Saturday, we're down into the single digits. And as we move on through Sunday morning, you can see that we get into the negative single digits and possibly the negative teens in far northern Pennsylvania. As we move out of the weekend, temperatures begin to mellow out relatively. We're going to be back into the teens by Sunday around evening. So another important thing with this Arctic air mass is the winds. You can see already we have winds around 17 in State College, 18 in Erie, 10 in Pittsburgh, and these winds will cause really big wind chills. So as we look at our wind chill forecast, you can see that we're going to be in the negative teens. So that's very, very cold air blowing on your face. Make sure you don't forget your hat and remember to bundle up. Let's look at our forecast for the next couple of days. For today, we got a high of 29, mostly cloudy, chances of a few flurries, but very little in the sense of accumulation. For tonight, we have a low around 15, cloudy, and tonight is when the Arctic air mass will begin to move its way down into Pennsylvania. As we look ahead in the week, we can see that, again, Saturday and Sunday are our coldest days with lows in the negatives. And as we move out of the weekend, it will begin to warm up a little bit for a high of 35 on Tuesday. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Anthony Prusel. Have a great Wednesday.